In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a user account on a Windows 11 PC. Before we start, a quick reminder. Deleting a user account will remove that person's files, settings, and apps from your computer, unless you choose to back up their data first. So if there's anything important in that account, make sure it's saved somewhere safe, like an external drive, cloud storage, or another folder on your PC. To delete a user account, you need to be signed in with an administrator account. If you're using a standard account, you won't see the options we're about to use. So first, log in as an administrator, or switch to one if needed. Now, move your mouse to the Start button on the taskbar and click it. From the Start menu, click on Settings. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also press the Windows key +I to open Settings directly. Inside the Settings window, look at the list on the left-hand side and click on Accounts. This is where Windows manages all user profiles and sign-in options. Once you're in the Accounts section, find and click on Family and Other Users. The wording may be slightly different depending on your version, but you're looking for the area that shows other people who use this device. Here you'll see a list of accounts that exist on your PC besides your own. Scroll through and locate the user account you want to remove. Take a moment to double-check you've selected the right one, especially if the names are similar. When you've found the account you want to delete, click on it to expand the options. You should see a button that says Remove. Click Remove. Windows will now show you a warning message explaining that deleting this account will also delete all of that user's data from this device. Read this message carefully. If you still need files from that account, click Cancel. Sign into that user and back up any important data first. If you're absolutely sure you're ready to proceed, click on Delete Account and Data. Windows will now remove the user account and its data from your PC. This may take a few moments, depending on how much information was stored in that profile. Once it's done, the account will disappear from the list, which means it's been successfully deleted. And that's it. You've now learned how to safely delete a user account on a Windows 11 PC using the built-in Settings app.